As we age, managing healthcare can become increasingly complex. Seniors over 60 often find themselves juggling multiple medications, seeing several doctors, and keeping track of numerous appointments. While this can feel overwhelming, there are practical strategies that can help seniors stay organized, reduce stress, and maintain control over their health. One of the first steps is creating a comprehensive health record. Keep a detailed list of all medications, including dosage, timing, and purpose, as well as any allergies or medical conditions. This record should also include contact information for all healthcare providers and a schedule of upcoming appointments. Having everything in one place makes it easier to share accurate information with doctors, pharmacists, or caregivers, reducing the risk of errors. Medication management tools are a lifesaver for seniors. Pill organizers, medication apps, or automatic reminders can help ensure that medications are taken on time and correctly. It's important to review medications regularly with a pharmacist or doctor to prevent interactions, adjust dosages, or discontinue unnecessary prescriptions. Effective communication with healthcare providers is key. Bring your health record to every appointment, ask questions, and clarify instructions. Don't hesitate to request simplified regimens if possible. Coordinating care between multiple specialists can prevent overlapping treatments, unnecessary tests, and confusion. Additionally, planning and scheduling can reduce stress. Use a calendar, planner, or digital reminder system to track appointments, medication refills, and follow-ups. Setting aside time each week to review schedules and prepare questions for doctors helps seniors feel more in control and proactive in their care. Finally, don't underestimate the power of support systems. Family members, caregivers, or senior support groups can assist in managing appointments, transportation, and medication routines. This support ensures seniors stay consistent with treatments while maintaining independence and confidence. By taking a structured approach, organizing health records, using medication management tools, communicating effectively, planning ahead, and seeking support, seniors over 60 can successfully navigate the complexities of healthcare. With these strategies, managing multiple medications, doctors, and appointments becomes manageable, empowering older adults to stay healthy, independent, and confident in their golden years.